Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Kaveri Science Tutorials. Today we are going to see human body and organ system in that circulatory system. So our today's topic is circulatory system. Circulatory system consists of three parts: arteries, veins and heart. So we are going to see the structure of heart, internal structure of heart and how the blood flows through the heart. General information about heart is placed in the thoracic cavity in the chest region between two lungs, and uh, it is the placed in the chest region of the human body. So heart is size of the heart is about equal to one's own fist. साइज ऑफ द हार्ट इज इक्वल टू अबाउट वन्स ओन फिस्ट, म्हणजे एखाद्याच्या त्याच्या स्वतःच्या हाताच्या मुठी इतकं त्याचा साईज असेल. आणि वेट ऑफ द हार्ट इज 360 ग्रॅम. 360 ग्रॅम इज द वेट ऑफ द हार्ट. इन जनरली इन अडल्ट ह्युमन बीइंग्स इट इज 360 ग्रॅम इज द वेट ऑफ द हार्ट, मीन्स बिलो दॅन हाफ kg ना. सो इट इज द जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द हार्ट. And the muscles of the heart are called as cardiac muscles. Cardiology means study of heart. Cardiac word, whenever you will heard the word cardiac, it is related to heart. So here cardiology is the study of heart. Cardiac muscles are continuously working from the fetus state of human beings up to death of the human beings. Fetus means from the uterus, inside the uterus of the mother. They are working from the uterus of the mother in the fetus state also, means आईच्या गर्भामध्ये ज्यावेळेस हे होतं, फिटस फॉर्म होतो, तेव्हापासून हे मसल्स कंटिन्युअसली वर्किंग असतात टिल डेथ. हे जर बंद पडले तर काय होईल, आपली डेथ होईल. सो दिस इज द जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द हार्ट. सो द आउटर membrane of the heart is called as pericardial membrane, and the fluid present between these two membrane is called as pericardial fluid. So this is the again some information about the heart. Now we will see the internal structure of heart. Internally ते कसं आहे, किती चेंबर्स आहेत and how they are located. So we have seen the position of the heart. Now we are going to see the internal structure of heart. Okay, so human heart is four chambered. Upper two chambers are called as atria, singular atrium. So my left hand is left atrium, my right hand is right atrium, opposite to you. So I am standing like this, so my left hand is left atrium and this is the right atrium. So first, while drawing the diagram, you have to draw the chambers first so that it will be easier to you. So first four chambered heart you have to draw, and in that upper two chambers are called as atria, singular atrium. So left atrium and right atrium, two upper chambers are there. So lower two chambers are called as ventricles, and they are also both two in number. So these two chambers are called as ventricles. So this is the one T-shaped structure is there. So this artery is called as pulmonary artery. So आता pulmonary artery चं meaning सांगते. Pulmonary artery joins heart to the lungs and heart, connecting the heart and lungs. The artery which connects heart with lungs, or heart and lungs, blood flow takes place between lungs and heart. That artery is called as pulmonary artery. So while arteries शिकताना आपल्याला कळेल की कसं pulmonary artery is an exception to all the arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery because it carries deoxygenated blood. इथं बघा आपल्याला कळेल हा एंड होतोय त्याचा, pulmonary artery ends in the ventricle. How we will understand while we will see the flow of blood. So flow of blood, how it takes place. All the deoxygenated blood from the body parts is collected in the right atrium. Now listen carefully. This is the flow chart for the flow of blood. All the deoxygenated impure blood is collected in the right atrium. Then it enters the right ventricle, and from right ventricles through this pulmonary artery it is carried towards the lungs. For what purpose? For purification. We have seen in respiratory system oxygen is mixed with the blood and carbon dioxide is released. For that purpose, that blood is carried through the pulmonary artery. It is carried towards the lungs. There in the lungs the blood is oxygenated, and again it is released. After oxygenation of the blood, it is released in the left atrium, and then it enters in the left ventricle, and lastly it is provided to the from left ventricle it is provided to different parts of the body. So हा आहे ब्लड फ्लो, डायरेक्शन ऑफ ब्लड फ्लो. आणि जर इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवलं, डायग्रामचा जर थोडंसं हे घेतलं तर तुम्हाला हे क्वेश्चन इझिली सॉल्व्ह करता येईल. तर इझी डायग्राम आपण काढली आहे. चेंबर्स काढायचे, टी शेप काढून त्याला पल्मोनरी आर्टरी नाव द्यायचं, त्यावर एक आर्क काढायची, त्याच्यावर नाव द्यायचं सिस्टेमिक ॲओर्टा. हा आर्क लाईक स्ट्रक्चर आहे, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज सिस्टेमिक ॲओर्टा. आता याच्यामध्ये वॉल्स आर देअर, वॉल्स आर प्रेझेंट. यू कॅन ॲड इन द एक्सप्लेनेशन. वॉल्सची नावं आणि एक्सप्लेनेशन या स्टँडर्डला आत्ता नाही आहे, बट you can write about walls. Walls prevent the backflow of the blood. Walls are present to prevent the backflow of the blood. So to prevent the backflow of the blood, walls are present between the two chambers or the opening of the artery vein. Walls are present. So this is about the heart. So namings you can write the inferior vena cava, superior vena cava. So this is about this is all about heart in this standard only. So again we will see the flow of blood. Flow of blood कसा होता, डायरेक्शन लक्षात घ्या. ऑल द डिऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड फ्रॉम द बॉडी पार्ट्स, जे काही इम्प्युअर ब्लड आहे ते फर्स्ट राईट ॲट्रियम मध्ये येईल, राईट ॲट्रियम मधून राईट व्हेंट्रिकल मध्ये येईल, राईट व्हेंट्रिकल कडून ते लंग्स कडे जाईल प्युरिफिकेशन साठी, and it is oxygenated. Oxygenated blood comes in the left atrium, then it comes in the left ventricle, and then from left ventricle it is provided to the different body parts. So एक डायग्राम छोटीशी तुमच्या टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये दिलेली आहे, बट तिथं तेवढं असं लक्षात येत नाहीये, तर हा फ्लो चार्ट तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवू शकता. म्हणजे डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ ब्लड इज लाईक दिस. So I have told 2 times the direction of flow of blood is important in this explanation. So we have seen general information. Size of heart is equal to the one's own fist. मुठीच्या आकाराचा असेल. Weight of heart is 360 gram. Again pericardial membrane is the outer membrane. Pericardial fluid चं function काय असेल? What is the function of pericardial fluid? Prevents the हार्ट फ्रॉम मेकॅनिकल शॉक्स, है ना. मेकॅनिकल शॉक्स पासून त्याला तर जो फ्लुइड आहे तो त्याला प्रोटेक्ट करतो. सो इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द हार्ट फ्रॉम मेकॅनिकल शॉक्स, अँड इट इज द फ्लुइड प्रेझेंट बिटवीन द आउटर मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द हार्ट. After that, in internal structure, we have to write there are 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are called as atria, singular atrium, and lower 2 chambers are called as ventricles. And then you have to so pulmonary artery joins heart with the lungs, and there the blood is purified and again sent to the left side of the body, and then it is sent to the different body parts. So this is about the general information of the heart and circulatory system. Now in the next lecture we will see about the very easily we will see the difference between arteries and veins. इझिली तुमचा शॉर्ट नोट होऊन जाईल, डिफरन्स होऊन जाईल. तो आपण नेक्स्ट याच्यामध्ये केलं तर खूप मोठा व्हिडिओ होईल. त्यामुळे नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण त्याच्यातला आर्टेरी आणि व्हेन्स कसं इझिली लक्षात ठेवायचं ते आपण नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये बघू. यामध्ये जर काही डाऊट असेल तर तुम्ही मला विचारू शकता. ठीक आहे. दॅट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर, अँड थँक्यू.